In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a custom Namecheap domain name for GitHub Pages, step by step, so you can connect your own branded domain to your website without confusion. This is a great way to make your GitHub Pages site look more professional, easier to remember, and much better for sharing with visitors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, head over to Domain List. This is where all of your domains are shown in one place, so you can quickly find the one you want to connect to GitHub Pages and click Manage next to it. This will open the settings for that specific domain. From there, open the Advanced DNS tab. This is the section where you can edit DNS records and point your domain to the right service. Next, scroll down until you find the Host Records section. This is where you'll add the record that tells Namecheap how to route your domain properly. Click Add New Record to create a new DNS entry. When the record type options appear, select CNAME Record. A CNAME record is what allows one domain or subdomain to point to another destination, which is exactly what you need for GitHub Pages in this setup. Now, in the host field, enter the host provided by your GitHub Pages configuration. Make sure you type it exactly as GitHub gives it to you, because even a small typo can prevent the domain from working correctly. After that, go to the value or target field and enter the value provided by GitHub Pages. This is the destination your custom domain should point to. Again, it's important to copy this carefully from your GitHub Pages settings so everything connects properly. Once both fields are filled in, review the record one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Save Changes. That's the key step that actually applies your new DNS settings. After saving, it may take some time for the changes to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to propagate, but once they do, your custom Namecheap domain should start pointing to your GitHub Pages site. And that's it. You've now learned how to use a custom Namecheap domain name for GitHub Pages. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.